All right, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Battlebox mission 111. Wow, I've been doing this for a long time, and obviously Battlebox sent this to the channel here for me to check it out. Everything that is here was sent to me for free, so keep that in mind. So I'm going to show it to you guys. That's pretty much what I do. So you got mission 11 or 111 right here. Now they do a book, which is crazy because before it used to be like a little piece of paper. But now they go all into it. And again, a lot of good information here. So this is going to be mission 11. As you guys know, there's different subscriptions out there. And we're going to start with the basic box. Got to get my old man glasses. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to get is going to be this book right here. And here it is right there. Prepare for anything. Survival manual. 338 essential skills. And obviously, this is going to be a book with a ton of information. So you into reading or anything like that and you want to get some information, go ahead and check this out. So let me go to page, actually skill 76. It says live on solar power. And again, it gives you a little bit of information right there, as you can see. And again, that's going to be the first thing on the basic box. All right, next thing we're going to have is a flips renewal system. We're going to look for it. I think it's this right here. So you can kind of see that right there. Again, it's going to be a little system right here. You have two different components. You also have a little rack right here to clean it up, and essentially you could see some pictures. You could clean knife, you could clean firearms and things like that. You could kind of see it right there. It has a microfiber cloth. It says all metal polish, ceramic gun and knife sealing. Right, so again, cleaning material for your guns and your knife. And the last component here is going to be a wound closer kit by My Medic. Let's look for that as well right here. Essentially mini wound closure, and again, one pack of wound closure strip, one skin glue. Okay, so apparently it's a little glue right there, right? So if you get a cut or something like that, you could use glue. So funny story, years ago I was in the Marine and I was outside a building. A guy pushed a window came down. I think it split my lip, and I think it was my lip, and I went to see the corpsman, and he did put some of this glue, something related like this, and he glued my skin back together, which I thought was kind of crazy. And we actually have one last item here for the basic box. We're going to look for it. It's going to be this right here. And I'll give you a quick look. We're going to take it out of the pack. From a company named Rock River. And let's go ahead and open this up so you can take a quick look. And this is kind of what you have right there. Bunch of little bottles. You have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, you can see it right there. So this is good to put condiments and things like that. Spices and things when you go out there into camping or bushcraft or whatever you do. Again, you can get some of these bottles and go ahead and put some salt, whatever you're looking to do. So again, this is kind of cool. Definitely very, very cool. You could use the belt loops back here to, attach it to something. Backpack or something, and it has a little loop right here, kind of like a little purse, if you want to call it like that. Actually, you could probably put this inside your cargo pants or something. Okay, we're jumping into the advanced box. You're gonna have a Pure Bag Pro system. I'm gonna try to give you a look right here so you could kind of get an idea, but essentially this is what you have right here, and I believe is this right there, right? So I'm not gonna open it up, but it's in here. Again, I'll give you another look right here in the picture so you could kind of have an idea, right? So it has a bag and it has a couple different components for you to purify water. All right, the next level is going to be the Pro Box. Remember, the Pro Plus box always have a knife. The knife this month is going to be pretty cool. But the Pro Box has a flashlight. And again, I'll give you a quick look right here. We're going to see it right there. It does have a holder as well. So again, it's going to be this right here. You can kind of see it right there. So it's going to be the E9R from PowerTac. This thing has about 2,550 lumens. So this is going to be kind of cool. I'm going to open this up in a different video. We're going to do a review. So definitely stay tuned for that. But you got some of the information right there. And again, it looks like a cool light, Actually, I'm just going to do a quick open just so you can kind of see the inside. And this is kind of what you have right there. Let's get it out. Let's just get it out. So again, here's the light. Pretty aggressive vessel right there. But again, we'll check it out later on in a different video. And the last thing, my friend, is going to be the knife of the month, which is going to be, it's actually a pretty decent, cool looking knife. It's going to be the Condor SIP Zip Knife Limited Edition, and this is kind of what you have right here, kind of like a bushcraft kind of knife. You can kind of see it here. Very, very cool. You do have a loop right there to put it through your belt as well. We're gonna get it out just to give you a quick look, and this is what you guys have, right? So the Condor, obviously Condor has been around for a while. They are one of those companies that do a lot of bushcraft, a lot of machetes and things like that. I mean, if you don't know who Condor is by this point, I don't know what to tell you, but they've been around for like forever. Look at that knife. It feels good. It really, really feels good. I'm going to give you a quick look right here so you can see it as well. And again, it looks like a really cool blade. Feels good in the hands. It feels like you could do a lot of work with this. And again, it looks really, really cool. So that's going to be Battlebox Mission 111, I think it was. I appreciate you guys watching. And as always, God is in control.